Okay, so just a brief law, when I'm something I'm contained inside law this law manual. It's a guide, one time workbook. The guide just guide on how you can structure him rental property you. A workbook is actually like some the practical exercise whereby you need to complete him. Now this law emi based on experience nablo PNG context and um, after you kisim all this la, you got training session too. Suppose you want pla where you need lo save more how lo use him all this la resource yeah. You get training session whereby me pla conduct him. Me pla still work lo put him together all content lo video production na me pla ba put him lo website pla me pla so em can easy lo you lo access him from website pla me pla lo help him you lo make him good play use lo this la book where you buy him or you buy him pinis. Now, just lo start him off this la book and by or the guide and by help him you lo just right after you advertise him property play you pinis or some you find him tenant and just before you sign him up a lease agreement one time tenant you have to screen him past them all tenant so you screen him tenant you got all checklist whereby you behind him one him ideal tenant where you occupy him plenty only reach out back and lo me one them plenty queries na one blah blah this la where I think me spending one blah good blah time just to go through one time is uh, accepting a lease agreement from someone, a tenant. Now, you as a landlord or property owner, you are in charge of your property. What do you want? How do you want it taken care of? That's basically one of something where you like him. So it should come from you, and then in an agreement, time tenant and me look him na one bell long him then you sign. Don't accept anything that is forced on you without you having a look at it and actually discussing or agreeing to it. So, something where this la guide and provide him this la just a structured way of screening all tenant value and getting the right people to rent your property to. We're not only focused on making sure that you get the right tenant, but along the way, you got all process where Mipla put in based on our personal experience for Mipla, where it includes inspection, what to check for, doing your asset listing, when is something I missed up before tenant they move in, after tenant they move out, all is something, they are all structured in that guide and workbook. And it's again based on lived experience pla me pla so me pla put him inside la pla help him on pla landlord property owners as well. Now we're not only focused on that but me pla survey also me got all sampla where they have a mortgage on the property that they own, and apart from earning that rental income and come inside some people they're using that rental income to offset their mortgage whilst they're living in another property or buy more kind of some. So how to properly structure in this lab, we also have a simple cash flow workbook. You look him good like how you can structure him this rental income to possibly do additional payments to your mortgage so that you reduce him the number of years you will pay him this mortgage through paying the principal. Uh, yeah, and after that, we are working on another ebook, and this ebook and blog guiding you on how to manage your mortgage. And again, it's based on lived experience. So whatever we go through, and we do the market research, and we talk to other people in a similar situation, we build from all those information and we put together educational content so that them can help him you me online ligligman na meri law PNG law at least have a structured way of doing things, create him educational content so that them can help him you me law make sure that we do not pass these liabilities on to our children. We must make sure that suppose me loan lo kisim house, em loan em blomi, em no blood picking blomi, so me no can pass him on. We want them to start on a clean slate. So that is what you can look forward to. We should have the ebook out shortly. By not shortly meaning this month, but by the month of July, we should launch another one. And we will start off with the same launching price of 99 kina. So if you're someone who's interested in that, do stay in touch because we will be putting out another ebook. Well, thank you, me, and thank you everyone for liking, following, sharing our content and the queries that we receive as well, because it helps us to improve our content, and we actually provide him content based on the feedback that me gives him. Thank you once again and have a good day all.